Alright guys, welcome to the famous cappuccino. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna get yourself some milk. You could do soy milk, it's fine. Go ahead and fill that up to about a half, maybe half a cup, right? Because that's the secret. Do a half a cup of milk right there. You throw that bad boy right into the microwave. Okay, so I'm microwaving it for about a minute 20. You want to get that milk nice and hot, right? Because you're gonna have to froth that, and this is how you do it. You do it with the little frother right there. You see that bad boy? Bam! Okay, so I'll show you the secret to that. So as that's preparing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making the coffee now. Okay, I got some beans. I'm gonna get that. Right? I like Pete's. I don't know what you guys do, little Starbucks, whatever, but I'm a Pete's guy. So, you know, let's go do that. 2 little beans, some Pete's. And here we go. I got some Major Dixon's blend. I'm gonna throw little beads in there. Throw that boy right there. Yep. Then I'm gonna close that. I mean, you could go to the store, you could get it grinded up, but you know, I like this little way. Okay, grind it up really nice. You want to really purify that. Okay. Give it a good little shake. Okay, open that bad boy up. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna throw that right inside there. Do a little tap tap. Okay. Okay, that's ready to go. You want to even that out. This is called like a little French press. Okay? Nice. Here we go. Ooh, perfect. We got some hot water in there. Thank you. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get the milk. Milk comes out. That's about, you know, a minute 20. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is get the little frother. The milk is all nice. Let me put up little camera action here. Okay. So we're going to do a little froth. I'll show you how to do that. Very simply, just kind of bobble it up and down. You want to make sure you have a good strength on that frother there. I got mine on Amazon. I think it was about maybe like 10 bucks. But it's cool, well worth it. I've made about 100 cappuccinos now. At least during this COVID. Okay, now, see how it's starting to kind of foam up? It's incredible. So do a little foam, little foam. Okay, a little foam. Get that going, a little foam. There you go. You want to see those bubbles on top. When you see bubbles on top, that means you're doing it right there. Okay. Nice. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's to its own, you know. You want to do a little more, but that's nice and frothed. Okay. Your last step is you're simply just gonna pour in the coffee. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I got some hot water here. Okay. I'm just gonna pour it in, a little hot water there. You gotta wait about 5 minutes for it to go, but for the time being, I'm just gonna close the lid. You should really let it set for like 5 minutes, but for right now, in interest of time, I'm just gonna do a little press. Press it down. Put that in. Pour in my coffee, and voila. Got your cappuccino. Thanks for watching.